Original.
At time a woman was brought from the east, their skin were black, living tribulations.
Juggler. Alisa Juggler.
Can't find the way to be free. Captivity had to fit to survive.
What?
7 and 5 make 12. Got to use your head.
And reggae. That I need.
So wake up, black beauty, stand on your feet and slumber no more.
Sweet.
It is time for you to get up now. Yeah. Soon the setting sun go across the sky, and shadows of the evening time steal across the sky and bring forth night again. Yeah. And bring forth night again. Deep in the dark, looking on a star in the sky, pretending to each and everyone. So I, Lord, can't find a way to be free. Captivity had to feed to survive.
Ready for the next one. Jump!
Even loves to exalt himself, shall be
The mind's getting hot in here.
Even wants to hold a bad man's title. If he don't stop, he's gonna be sorry. Badness, good my brethren, badness. No future is in it. Many success pass through it and lose their lives. And many users change cause they know what is life. Even loves to exalt himself, surely a base. Even wants to hold a bad man's title. If he don't stop, he gonna be sorry. We all have got something living for. That's what the youth they should know. But someday they will realize themselves and get smart like I do today. Oh, oh. Yeah.
Alright. You were the one say.
When Jack come from Boston with his garment dipped in blood, it a go red hot down in Josepha. Yeah, it a go red hot down in Josepha.
Yes, sir.
Like Robin Hood in Sherwood Forest, seeking bread for poor. It a go jam up down in Josepha.
You hear
Yeah,
that? Oh.
it a go red hot down in Josepha. Now do you hear? It a go red hot down in Josepha.
Oh, I just can't understand why youths keep a fussing and a fighting. Every day it's the same thing. It's time for a love uprising. As darkness falls upon the city, yeah, yeah. The smell of violence fills the air. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Shotgun blasting, people living in fear. Living in fear. Yeah. The time too hot, the youths too vile. Love, Jah and maintain your cool. Sun is hot in the west. Everyone trying, trying to be the best.
All the best. You know.
Here today, gone tomorrow. Leaving your hydrants in sorrow. Yeah, yeah.
Original. SelectaTomTom in the mix.
I'm making a statement. Listen people want betterment. Oh yeah.
Direct out of Berlin.
Fools are always rushing. Oh yes. Where wise men never care to go. Don't you know? Fools are always fussing and fighting.
Go on the street.
The rich ones should start some giving.
Stop them now.
We surely have a better system.
Me tell you, this is a real time. You see it in Stuttgart. Them people fight. Stop the authority.
A wise man seek of knowledge, while the foolish man run away and hide.
Tell the leader, we don't want it no more. We've got to stop them. We've got to stop them. Stop them. We don't want them.
Territory, I disagree with territory. Hey, territory. You happy with territory.
Territory.
Hey, so nobody screw up your face when you come in at the place. Cause if you try your thing, it a go in a disgrace. In a free backyard, I want to go. So the one like no fool, boy, you better you cool. Hey, territory. I disagree with territory. Whoa, hey, territory. You happy with territory.
Hey, Babylon, boy, me na me. Kingston, Jamaica, me. East side, west side. Dance all and club, me. Now left the thing on me side. Babylon come and put me in a handcuff. Say them don't like the marijuana, me a puff. Never know the ragamuffin on me roof. I mean now mix with certain stuff. What? Imagine, sit down a whole of wise pa me corner. Babylon come and lock me up for marijuana. As far as the man, me got no love for informer. Them always bring the drama. Me na me. Kingston, Jamaica, me. East side, west side. Dance all and club, me. Now everything on the side.
Stupid informer.
Gangsta nation.
Yes.
Watch how you are on from Jamaican.
Stand up for your rights.
How long them a map out the base? Before they make the arrest, them map out the case. Babylon, tell me, take out your lace. Boy, what kind of gun that a drop out your waist? Born Jamaican, have been no fi use head. Hustler, juggler, born and bred. Can't hit the street without we steal and dead. We no love sleep, it's too near to the
Yes, man.
Kingston, Jamaica, we
Territory.
East side, west
We living in
side.
a Berlin. SelectaTomTom in the mix.
They brought you in the society to protect us. Now you start to treating us like a dog. Don't even respect that I am your brother. I'm the civilian like brute. Policeman, where is the respect gone? Oh Lord, policeman, where is the respect gone? Yeah, policeman, where is the respect gone? I don't you hear me when me say, policeman, where is the respect gone? You look at my grandfather with his gray beard. You turn and deliver, they call him a boy. Think of a puppy at my grandfather's age. Do you believe that he's a small dog? Oh, policeman, where is the respect gone? Oh yeah, policeman, where is the respect gone? You lost it, policeman, where is the respect gone? Policeman.
Hört euch an. Spezielle Ansage für Upliftment, dann. Ja, Mann, so ist es dann. Immer wieder dann.
Original Doppel.
Qualität, Qualität, das ist wofür Upliftment einsteht. Qualität, Qualität,
Upliftment
ich hoffe,
Song.
ihr wisst, dass diesbezüglich halt was geht.
Berlin.
Bin ich Danger Mann, am Mikrofon stand dran. Ich sing mein kleines Lied für Upliftment, kommt hört's euch an. Für Salamon, TomTom und auch Laufchild. Denn eine Sache, Mann, die haben wir bald, hört's euch an.
Sind doch schließlich nicht umsonst da. Wir nehmen wirklich jede Chance wahr. Wir haben keinen Bock mehr auf Panzer. Hauptsache dieses Lied ist tanzbar. Upliftment, sind sich ihrer Sache sicher. Upliftment, für mich und für dich da. Was ist, wenn wir uns darauf konzentrieren? Wir zusammenhalten und uns motivieren.
Qualität, Qualität, das ist wofür Upliftment einsteht. Qualität, Qualität, das ist wofür Upliftment einsteht. Fühlst du dich einsam und auch allein? Ich weiß, Upliftment wird bei dir bleiben. Deswegen, ihr Menschen, lasst euch drauf ein. Ich weiß, ich spiele nicht für groß und für klein. Für jung und alt, seine Liebe gibt allen Halt. Deswegen, der Menschen, Mann, ich weiß, ihr habt mit gefeilt. Deswegen hört euch an, Mann, sind sie dran. Upliftment, originaler Klang, oder?
Der faule Panda und der Stranger Mann schauen sich heute die Welt mal an. Kommt sie nicht bald auf den grünen Zweig, dann werden viele richtig wütend, weil sie genug Lügen gehört, genug geschluckt haben, zu wenig Glück und sich zu oft gebückt haben. Aber wir glauben an eine bessere Zeit und Upliftment macht euch dafür bereit.
Qualität, Qualität, das ist wofür